Just ask you, just be polite.
Thank you for my free speech. I appreciate that.
It's a bitter battle for both those seeking answers to medical negligence and for the doctors being blamed. Those for and against a bill by Speaker Therese Terlahi seeking to amend the controversial Mandatory Medical Malpractice Arbitration Act, airing out their concerns during a pair of public hearings held late Tuesday.
I won't spend time on my story, as you all by now are familiar with my son, Asher. But are you familiar with the hundreds of other medical negligence stories?
5-year-old Asher Lubowski's sudden death back in 2018 led to his father, David Lubowski, pushing to appeal the arbitration law. He's one of many who support the bill, saying the current mandatory arbitration law is costly and hinders the filing of malpractice claims by those who cannot afford the costs.
This will change with Bill 11236, using the mandatory pre-screening process with a judge in lieu of the expensive arbitration MMAA.
The bill would enact a case screening system where a magistrate judge overlooks the malpractice claims in place of an arbitration panel. But healthcare professionals uniting in opposition say the measure will open a floodgate of frivolous claims filed against them, leading to doctors unwilling to work in Guam.
I strongly believe that Bill 112 will have a flooding of frivolous claims. I truly do.
Pharmacist Karen Song is speaking out, but she says it feels like deja vu with senators not hearing the medical community's concerns.
So last time we were here at this very room, and you heard all of us saying pretty much the same things we're saying tonight, I was like, yes, they heard us. But then a few days ago, when I got this, I was actually shocked.
Song joined others gathered outside the legislature like Dr. Alexandra Leon Guerrero. She urges lawmakers to look at what they say is the real issue, adding it's not about the process of arbitration, but about the cost.
Then why don't the lawmakers focus on fixing the cost problem? I know for a fact that many in the medical community have approached lawmakers and offered various solutions to this end. Exploring and creating ways to lower the cost of arbitration is a solution that addresses the core complaint of those against the current law, while simultaneously protecting the fragile healthcare system we have on this island.
Over a dozen doctors arguing their case for more than 6 hours, pleading for senators to hear them and take them seriously. Matsuki Hariyama, KUAM News.